Good morning. Welcome to Williams Motors here in Wingo, Kentucky. Today on the lot we got a little Chevy Tahoe blue, $79.95, 2005 model. Nice, clean little truck. Looks like nearly new rubber tires on it. This is the Z71 4x4. Got the 235 70 R17s on it. Got a receiver and hitch on the back. There's a little ding right there. Got the third row seats in the back. We'll look at the inside here in a minute. Got the luggage racks on top. Outside of that one little ding on the back, I don't see another little place on it. Clean, nice little truck. Leather interior. Got the middle aisle, so you're not having to lift up a seat to get someone in the back all the time, which is nice. And then the secondary seats have all got these armrests which comes down, which makes, these are big captain's chairs, which makes it so much nicer driving down the road and traveling. You know, if you got little tiny kids, it don't matter, but man, if you've got full grown size adults, it sure does matter. And then it's also got you know, your TV back here, DVD player, got rear air for your kids. It's all set up. Let's get up front here and crank it up. I'll tell you what, it runs like a charm. Got 164, almost 165 on it. Yeah. Over here to trying to get the mileage to come up there. Yeah, 164,775. You can see that or not. Clean, nice. Got rear air, sunroof here. I'll tell you what, it's a nice, for 2005, 160,000 mile truck. It is clean. Come on down here to see us at Williams Motors here in Wingo, Kentucky. Love to see you. You can call us by appointment, 270-970-0542. Just ask for me, Kevin Keelan. God bless you. Have a great day.